Technology, consistent persistence. Optimization, promotion motivation. Professional, leading factor. Since the establishment in 1980, Topwork has been engaged in the pursuit of enduring improvement in quality and service to the esteemed customer. And these principles had successfully led Topwork Tool Grinder into the global tool grinder market and made a trustworthy reputation of the brand name Topwork. In unison is the consistent centripetal force for each member in Topwork. In addition, Topwork has extended the unison to the partnership between our clients and agents in order to create a win-win benefit. Excellent R&D and QC. It's been a long time since Topwork has experienced the processes from products R&D, brand establishment to brand optimization, and made obvious metamorphosis and considerable progress in each stage. Topwork has been striving for perfection in products with excellent R&D spirit. Together with unceasing R&D, the newest domestic and foreign cutter grinders, and to offer complete and consistent service from design, production, marketing, installation, maintenance, and parts supply, aims to become our client's best enterprise partner. Under our severe requests for quality insistence, Topwork has great public praise for the best choice of providing customers with cutter grinders. We have a specialized R&D team and the most precise inspection equipment to comprehensively assure our products for a zero failure rate. We not only pass through ISO 9001 certification, simultaneously we are qualified CE certification permission for our products and win our government R&D fund for 3 successive years. In these aspects, such as quality control, administration and product management, customer services, and technical support, we were requested to carry out the ISO standards. Innovation, creativity, and creating a new situation. The remarkable organization framework, complete education and training, and the best welfare measure become Topwork's foundation for durative flourishing growth. While expanding our enterprise systems group unceasingly, we often introspect together to thoroughly carry out staff fundamental training for instilling rigorous and specialized knowledge and skills into our staff. Through effective communication among all the departments, we systematically work out the plan of employee education and training to improve employees' professional competence and actively consult with customers and suppliers to get a 3-way win cooperation for enterprises, customer, and supplier. Topwork's Tool Grinder Range. Topwork's Tool Grinder Range includes universal type and CNC type and mainly provides to the tool factories, especially those who are producing and resharpening the tungsten carbide cutter grinding. Universal type. M40, M60 universal cutter and tool grinder. CM2, CMA monoset cutter and tool grinder. HS16 HOB sharpening machine. Special tool grinder. TD series diamond wheel truing and dressing machine. SI series PCD and PCBN grinder. Broach and helical shaper resharpen machine. TB broach CNC grinder. Helical shaper cutter resharpening machine. CNC tool grinder. TG5 plus 5-axis CNC tool grinder. TE5 5-axis CNC tool grinder. TG4 4-axis CNC tool grinder. TM Series CNC cutter and tool grinder. Especially the 4-axis and 5-axis CNC tool grinders are our major products. Our products are widely exported to the USA, China, Japan, the Middle East, Europe, Russia, and Southeast Asia. Nowadays, Topwork is looking for more chances to work with customers through participation in large-scale significant international exhibitions in the USA, Germany, Japan, mainland China, and Taiwan, and expects to provide customers with more efficient service through the Internet. Topwork thanks all customers for their trust and support during 40 years. In the process of fulfilling customers' requirements, we have professional know-how and innovation technique to improve product quality, to gradually establish a professional standing in the global cutter tool grinder market. At the same time that we are devoting ourselves into creating socio-economic value, we never forget the importance of environmental protection and are engaged in eco-friendly activities. As a specialized cutter grinder manufacturer, based on actual figures to create the brand Topwork, will continue to offer clients the highest quality products and to construct a forever management kingdom.